Hello and welcome to Winslow Academy. In this lecture we'll be looking at how to make a network probe in Kali Linux using the Python programming language. We'll be making a little script that enables us to detect the different networks that the devices within our range is asking for. So what you're seeing here is our script currently telling me that there are some devices within the range of my wireless network card that is asking for the following networks. So if you want to build the script yourself, then please follow along. So we are now in the Kali Linux in our VirtualBox. We have VirtualBox running right here. So I have it running besides my main operation system, which is Windows. If you haven't installed Kali Linux in a VirtualBox before, then see the video on the right corner up here and just follow that video and you will be able to have Kali Linux installed like I have right here. So besides the Kali Linux, we are going to need to have a wireless network card. If you already have that in your computer or your laptop, then it's fine. It just have to have the possibility of being set into monitor mode. If you don't, then I'm using this wireless card right here. I can highly recommend it. It's not a sponsored link or picture, but you can see the link to what I'm using in the description. So the first thing that we're going to do is to create a file, and I will just be copying this little script because it's not that much, and then we will be saving it as, I will call it sniffer.py, and in the desktop right here, and then I will just zoom it up so we can see it with a bit more colors. So what we have right here is that we have from scapy.alt.import and then star for all. So we're using this scapy library framework right here. You can read about it if you want. The link is also in the description. Then we have our variable interface, and then that has been set to the wireless internet interface in this VirtualBox that we are going to monitor from. So we are calling this WLAN 0. You can rename it on your own, or maybe yours have another name, but I will show you in a bit how you can get the name of this and how you set it up into monitor mode. Then we have the probe request, which is also a variable, which is an empty array because we have not any values yet. Then we have our main method right here, defined by the def in Python, and then we have its own container included right here, and then we say if it has a layer of this .probe request, meaning that this is right out of the box from this scapy, and that define the actual packages that we are looking for, the ones that will give us what we're searching for, namely the request for the network packages. And then we say net name, and that should be equal to, and then we get the layer of this defined package right here, and then .info. And if that name is not in our array right here, then we are going to add it, and then we will print the statement. So we are only going to see the same network names once, because once they have been added, it will be skipping this part right here and just continued looking for the next one. And then in the end we are calling the sniff method from scapy right here, and then we say it is to be an interface, and then the method that we will be using to define what we are looking for will be the method we defined right here. So this is the little script that we will be needing. We can close this now, and now it's time to make sure that our connection is set up in monitor mode. So we'll enter the terminal and say if config, and as you see right here, we have our wireless set up. So this is our WLAN 0. So first we say if config WLAN 0 down, meaning that we are closing for this one. And as you see right here, it's WLAN 0. If you have another name, then you need to replace this right here. And then we say down, and if you just run the if config again, we see that this has now been shut down. Now we need to re-enable it, so we'll say W this time. Remember that this is not an F anymore, but a W. And then we will say WLAN 0 for the name again, and then the mode to be monitor. And then we simply just start it up again. So if we type config again, we now see that we have our WLAN 0 set up, and it is now in monitor mode. So now we are able to run the script and see the result. So we will be navigating to our desktop to open this file. A way to do so in Linux is typing ls to see where you are. As you see, we are not on the desktop yet, so we'll type change directory and then desktop. And from here we can type Python in order to execute a Python file, and then we will simply just name the file, so sniffer.py. And then we will wait, and as soon as it gets packages incoming or see that there are some packages asking for a network, meaning that the devices are asking, we will get them. So as you see right here, there are some device near my location that is asking for this network right here. There was another one, and then the script will just keep running and basically return whatever the devices in range are asking for. So by that you can get a intuition of where the different devices has been. So if you suddenly see that there are some Starbucks internet or something that you can use to identify exactly where people have been, then this starts to be really funny. I'm just sitting in my apartment, so this means that my neighbor's packages is getting showed up as well. So I have not seen any of these yet, so this must be one of my neighbors and their device is asking for previous networks that they have been on. So this was all for this little video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time here on Winslow Academy.